What's up, everybody? Episode 4, Project S4, that rhymed. Welcome. Right now you are seeing all the three main components. The motor is finally put together. Thanks to my mess up, we are about a week, 2 weeks behind schedule. It bent it here and I broke the head gasket. But it is what it is. It's called the Project for a reason. So the motor is finally all put together besides some couple accessories, bolt-ons and brackets. We're going to be working on this today. We're going to be marrying the engine to the transmission. Once this is all put together, we put it back into the cradle. On the cradle, we have brand new engine mounts from 034, brand new front sway bar, lower control arm, upper control arm, oil filter cup, a larger inlet mount for the turbo. Basically, you open the catalog for B9 S4 at 034 Motorsports. This car has everything. We've also convinced Roy to upgrade his cooling system. So we have upgraded radiators, upgraded heat exchangers. We have a lot. This car has a lot going into it, and I can't wait to put everything together. So this is the piece that almost drove me to insanity. This is the upgraded head gasket from 034. Main reason why this broke is because I wasn't paying attention and I crushed it. You can kind of see where it got bent. This middle layer got bent and it took this one out with it. So I wasn't actually able to put any of these bolts in. It would have had an oil leak. So I'm glad it happened where it happened, not inside the car. But now everything's put together. We're just finishing the accessories, all the bolt-ons, kind of the engine brackets. There's a couple things that we still got to do, but sit back, relax, and enjoy the build.